For a long time, there are many problems in recycling of dust and mud in sintering. Firstly, the variety and quantity of dust removal ash are large, and the composition is complex and different. So it is difficult to achieve quantitative mixing, resulting in the decline of the physical and chemical performance index of sinter before and after the use of dust ball press. We should note that, first, it is strictly prohibited to enter the machine iron, stone, and other hard objects. 2. The granularity of the material to be processed should be ensured below 3 mm. Otherwise, it will affect the molding and reduce the service life of the machine. 3. Dust ball press is strictly prohibited to start heavy load. Non-technical personnel is strictly prohibited to disassemble and adjust equipment randomly. 4. Dust ball press regular maintenance, observation reducer, and bearing seat is lack of oil.